fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well and I hope you are all staying safe. So fam, in this video I am going to show you how to do the water curl, and I'm going to be using this hair from Hair Center, and it's their virgin hair, but this one has been colored. So I'm going to need my brush, some hair clips, some hair pins, and this smooth hairbrush, as well as a tail comb to section the hair, and some hairspray. This gives a natural hold. So I'm going to need some hairspray and some wax, and this is my curling wand, which I have switched on for about a few minutes, and I'm going to start by brushing the hair. And so here I am brushing the hair just to make sure that the hair is smooth and evened out before I start. So fam, here I am going to section the hair row by row, and I'm going to trace where the weft of the hair was sewn in, and this will allow me to section the hair and get most of the hair out of my way as I work. So fam, I'm going to start by spraying some of this hairspray on the hair, and this is a holding spray, and that is going to allow the curls to hold or to stay in place as I work on them. And fam, I'm going to be pinning the hairs after I curl them. So here I am sectioning some of the hair, and I want these curls to be smaller, and so I'm going to take just a little bit of the hair, and I'm going to take my curling wand, which has been heating for about a few minutes, and I'm going to take this hair and wrap it around the curling wand. And fam, one trick is that you have to make sure that the curling wand is pointing downwards, and that is how you would achieve that beachy or wavy hair, popularly known as the water curl. After wrapping the hair around the curling wand, I'm going to allow the heat to do its job, and this is by allowing the hair to be or stay in place for about a few seconds before I let go of the hair. Wow fam, do you see that curl? This is the kind of curl I am looking for. This is the beachy or wavy curl, or beachy look, or water curl. This is what I'm going to be doing for the entire hair, and after curling I make sure I pin the hair in place so that the curl does not fall. So fam, I'm going to use the tail comb now to section the hair, and this is just for demonstration purposes. I prefer sectioning the hair with my fingers, and it makes me work faster and it's more convenient for me. So I don't curl the ends, I leave the tip because I feel it gives the hair a more natural look, and it does not let the hair become too stiff. So here I am using my fingers to section the hair, and I'm going to brush quickly through it and then curl the hair around the curling wand. And bear in mind I am pointing the curling wand downwards. Yes, I'm pointing the curling wand downwards, and in doing this particular row I am going to do it in the left direction. meaning the curling wand is going to face the left side, or I am twisting the hair facing the left side. So another demonstration, I am using my left hand to hold the curling wand, and I'm using my right hand to curl the hair around the curling wand. So fam, in curling the hair, when I get to the tip, I make sure that I pull on the hair. That way my hand doesn't get too close to the heat or the curling wand, so that I don't get burnt. So fam, in handling the curling wand, I have my thumb on the clip or the holder, and I realized that in placing the holder on the hair, you get some defined lines on the hair. If you don't want that, you don't have to put the holder on the hair. You can just leave it opened and just curl the hair. So I'm done with the first row now, and I'm going to section the second row. And with this second row fam, I'm going to point the curling wand facing my right side, and so I have my right hand holding the curling wand, and I'm using my left hand now to curl the hair in that direction. So this gives me an alternating direction, and fam, watch to the end and see how beautiful the outcome is. If you are enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and join the Josey family. Thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for watching my videos. So fam, I'm going to the other row now, and in sectioning the hair, I guide my hand through how this wig was sewn in, and fam, I did this wig myself. If you want to see a video on how to do your own wigs, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment and let me know if you are interested in a video like that. So fam, in brushing the hair, I put my hand under the hair I am brushing so that I don't ruin what I have done underneath that hair. So I go ahead and spray some holding spray before I start curling the hair. And so on this row, I am going to do it on the left side, and that is how I want the hair to alternate, or the curls to alternate. So fam, as I get to the top or the front part of the hair, I make sure the hair gets a more wavier look from the beginning or the scalp area, and a tighter curl rather on the endings, because I want the topmost part of the hair, or I want the apampim. I want the apampim to be smoother and curlier rather on the ends. That way, getting to the middle part of the hair it curls and transitions nicely and joins the other curls on the lower part of the hair. I hope this makes sense, fam. Please give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying this video. So fam, this is another curl you can do to revamp your hair. I have another video on how to curl your hair, and that is on the pipe curl. So you can go ahead and watch that. I'll link that in the description box below. So here I am going in with the wax for the front part of the hair to control any flyaways, and I'm going in with my smoother hairbrush to brush the hair, and that will help me to lay those flyaways properly. So fam, as you can see from the beginning or from the top part of the hair, I make sure that the body of that hair I picked to curl is more wavier, and I have a tighter curl on the endings of that hair because I want the topmost part of the hair to be smoother, and the topmost part of the hair in the tree language is a pumpim, and that is what I said earlier on because I did not have the word to describe that topmost part of the hair. And so that's what I'm saying, that you have to make sure that that side of the hair is more smoother and it transitions, or the curl transitions and joins from the middle part of the hair and joins the lower curls on the bottom of the hair. So fam, you can do this to revamp your hair for this Christmas and save some coins for other things this Christmas season. Why not save some coins for some other important things this Christmas? This year has been rough, and so instead of spending so much on your hair, why don't you try any of these curls to revamp your hair for that special occasion, end of year occasion, end of year dinner, whatever it is. Try any of these looks and let me know how it goes for you, fam. And so comment in the comment section below, would you try this curl? And if there's any other curl ideas, fam, please share them in the description box below. So fam, after doing the curls, I make sure that I put the curling wand on the DIY closure I did on this wig to lay it flat, and I am going to now remove all the hairpins from the hair and reveal this beauty, reveal this outcome for you to see, fam. So stay tuned, and if you have watched this video to this part of the video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Subscription is free, and let's grow together, fam. Wow, so fam, do you see this curl? Do you see how alternating the direction of the curls gives it a nicer look? If you curl the hair on one direction, you are going to get all the curls on one direction, but if you curl it in different directions, you can get a natural kind of look to your hair. And you can do this hair by hair as you go, or as you pick the hair, or you can do it row by row as I did in this video. So fam, this is the final outcome, and I love the way these curls are looking. So from here, you can either use your fingers to divide the curls if that is the look you want, or you can rock it like this for a while, or divide the hair to get a more wavier and a more fuller look. So as you can see, I just opened the curls on the top part just so that I can get a more fuller look on that side of the hair. And so this is the before fam, and that's the beautiful after. I love the outcome of this. And that's it for this video fam. Please comment, share, like and subscribe to my channel. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe and never give up. Bye fam.